Do you think it'll be possible to have the same quality of life without technology? Technology improves and saves lives all over the world every single day. For example, the PET scanner helps find cancer cells, X-ray machines can diagnose skeletal abnormalities, the ultrasound machine can help determine the sex and health of a baby before it is born, and the MRI can diagnose soft tissue, muscles, and ligament injuries. Technology also improves lives during educational and assistive software. Voice recognition software such as DragonSpeak helps people who have the difficulty of handwriting, perhaps due to a stroke or learning disability, automatically type words into a computer just by speaking it. Rosetta Stone, a language tutoring software, personally helped me learn the Spanish language with ease. And Microsoft Word has been a huge influence on modern life. It has developed over years to help writers, students, journalists, teachers, etc. type documents, papers, novels, articles, much more efficiently and quickly. Technology can make communication easier. Based on the article, Why Talk When You Can Text, teenagers feel as if they can be more authentic with each other when they use an electronic device. Teens and young adults also feel that texting is much better than talking in person because it feels more comfortable and less awkwardness. In M.T. Anderson's novel Feed, technological communication exists in such an extreme that it takes over the humanity of Titus and Violet. Communication is very simple and brings life to a whole nother level just by thinking and communicating, even though life wears down when the battery wears down. Recently, the technology of texting, Facebook, and Twitter assisted in helping bring down the Egyptian regime. Protesters used these technologies to help organize their protests, and even though protests are not allowed in Egypt. Before a revolution towards technology, regimes can keep people in the dark because the regime controlled the media. Cell phones have made protests possible by the ease of communication and taken full control of the media out of the hands of the government. When taken to extremes, as in feed, technology can be somewhat harmful. But overall, technology has a huge number of benefits, including medical, educational, scientific, cultural, and personal.